Hi YouTube family, and today I just got my building delivered. This is going to be my new work studio for all those fantastic creative gifts that I create. It's not very big, but it's just big enough for me to use. That's Josh, that's my delivery guy. He just dropped off my building. It is Monday, Martin's birthday. Hey, and I just got my workspace. So we're going to make it do what it do, and we're going to go step by step, and I'm going to show y'all how I turn this brown storage building into one spectacular, gorgeous workspace for DIY moms, unique creations. Builders here. So, family, this is my new workspace. It's not very big. It's just an 8 by 10, which I am working out of my spare bedroom, which is only 10 by 10. So I'm only losing 2 feet, which is cool. I guess I could have got a 10 by 10 building and just kept the same workspace, but I think it's going to be pretty good. I have a couple of ideas of things I want to put in here. Main things we're going here are my heat press, which will go over here on this back wall. My heat press and my ovens. And then on this wall over here, I am going to create me a dream box where I will store everything. And then on this wall right here, I'm going to put me some kind of little small chair. I don't know if it fits. We'll see. I might have to make a little small bench or something and sit right there. But basically, heat press back here, dream box on this side, and then my doors. I'm working on that right there. That's a project that I'm doing. I'm ripping that up and I'm going to repair it and re-cement it. So don't judge me. So this is it. Just a small storage building. Probably paying too damn much money for the size of a storage building. But that's all well and good. I wanted it right now. I needed it. So I decided to get it. That's how it goes. Okay, this is the building. So you see how close it is to the porch? I just want to be able to walk right on out to it. Going in, and it's not very big, but it's big enough for what I need. See? 8 by 10. It's pretty big. And the back, of course, I'm probably going to have to upgrade later on and give me something bigger, but right now, this is going to do. And how about they deliver my thing, and it does not have my power package. So I just called the company and do it, and they're going to get somebody out here to put it in.